Welcome back, everyone. Ever wondered what makes you unique? It's all in the mind. And guess what? Having a different thinking pattern is something to celebrate. Today, we are going to travel into the fascinating world of neurodiversity. We are spotlighting not one, not two, but 7 highly successful individuals who have reached the top, all while embracing their neurodiverse conditions. Curious to find out who they are, how they did it? Join us on this exciting journey into the realm of amazing minds, successful people who think differently. Let's dive right in. Let's begin our journey with Richard Branson, who was born in 1950 in Surrey, England. Richard Branson struggled with his education due to dyslexia. He had difficulty with reading and writing, often mixing up letters and numbers. The school system was less understanding of neurodiverse conditions at the time, which led to Branson dropping out of school at 16. However, his entrepreneurial spirit was already on the rise. Branson started his first business, a magazine called Student, from the basement of his home. Despite many financial challenges, Branson's persistence led him to start a mail-order record company, Virgin Records. The business eventually grew into the multinational Virgin Group, comprising more than 400 companies worldwide. Throughout his career, Branson has cited his dyslexia as a strength, asserting that it has helped him view problems with unique angles and devise creative solutions. It has also shaped his managerial style, pushing him to delegate tasks effectively and build a strong team around him. Today, he is an outspoken advocate for neurodiversity in the workplace and continues to inspire individuals worldwide. Next, let's meet a remarkable woman named Temple Grandin. Temple Grandin was born in Boston in 1947. Diagnosed with autism at a young age, she experienced challenges with social interactions and sensory overload. Traditional schooling proved difficult, but Grandin's mother advocated tirelessly for her, seeking out private schools and therapists that would cater to her unique needs. Grandin had a profound understanding and empathy for animals, which became her gateway to success. After observing the cruel conditions in livestock handling facilities, she felt a deep desire to reform the system, leveraging her unique perspective on animal behavior. She designed livestock handling systems that prioritized animal welfare and reduced stress. Her designs are now used worldwide, revolutionizing the industry. Grandin earned a PhD in animal science and has written numerous books about her experiences with autism and her work with animals. She has given TED Talks, appeared on major television programs, and even had a movie made about her life. Her work continues to inspire and advocate for the acceptance and understanding of neurodiversity. Our next stop is the world of finance with Michael Burry. Michael Burry was born in 1971, was diagnosed with Asperger's syndrome as an adult, but the signs were present from a young age. He often preferred solitary activities and had a deep fascination with systems and patterns. Burry's interest in investing began when he was doing his medical residency. He started an investment blog which attracted the attention of several major companies, leading him to start his own investment firm, Savant Capital. Burry had an uncanny ability to see patterns in the financial market that others overlooked. His meticulous attention to detail allowed him to predict the housing market crash of 2007 and 2008, one of the most significant financial events in the recent history. While Asperger's present social challenges for Burry, his ability to focus intensely on complex systems was an asset in his field. His story serves as a testament to the potential of neurodiverse individuals in shaping our world. We now move into the realm of mathematics with John Nash. Born in 1928 in Bluefield, West Virginia, John Nash showed a keen interest in mathematics and science from a young age. His remarkable intellect led him to receive a full scholarship to the Carnegie Institute of Technology, now called Carnegie Mellon University, where he initially studied chemical engineering before switching to mathematics. Nash's life took a turn when he began to exhibit signs of paranoid schizophrenia in his early 30s. He faced severe delusions and was hospitalized several times. Despite these challenges, Nash's academic contributions were groundbreaking. His work on game theory, differential geometry, and partial differential equations have provided significant insights into decision-making, economics, and other fields. After decades of struggle, Nash's condition began to improve. He returned to academic life and continued to work on mathematical problems. In a remarkable recognition of his contribution, Nash was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences in 1994. John Nash's story serves as a testament to the perseverance and resilience of neurodiverse individuals. His life and work continue to inspire generations of mathematicians and scientists around the world. Let's now turn to Adam Osborne, a pioneer in computers. Osborne was born in 1939 in Thailand to British parents. Adam Osborne spent his early years in India before moving to UK for his high school education. Osborne was diagnosed with Tourette syndrome, a neurological disorder characterized by repetitive, involuntary movements and vocalization known as tics. Osborne moved to attend the University of Birmingham, where he completed a degree in chemical engineering. He then pursued a PhD in chemical engineering at the University of Delaware. In 1972, Osborne founded Osborne & Associates, a company that primarily published technical and computer-related books. The company's success led to the development of the Osborne 1, the first commercially successful portable computer. Despite facing numerous business challenges, Osborne's contribution to the early computer industry was significant. Adam Osborne's life is a testament to the potential of neurodiverse individuals to drive innovation and make substantial contributions to technology and society. Next up is Daniel Tammet. Born in London in 1979, Daniel was diagnosed with high-functioning autism and epilepsy as a child. He is one of the fewer than 100 people worldwide who are known as prodigious savant, individual with extraordinary skills in certain areas such as mathematics or art. Tammet can perform complex mathematical calculations in his head and has the ability to learn new languages incredibly quick. He rose to the prominence after memorizing and reciting more than 22,000 decimal places of the number pi, a feat that placed him in the Guinness Book of World Records in 2004. Apart from his prodigious cognitive ability, Tammet is also noted for his ability to articulate his experiences, providing rare insights into how his mind works. He has authored several books, including Born on a Blue Day, where he discusses living with autism and Savant syndrome. Tammet's story is a powerful testament to the extraordinary cognitive abilities that can coexist with neurodiverse conditions. His accomplishments serve as a shining example of the potential of neurodiverse individuals, encouraging them to embrace their unique abilities and perspectives. Our final stop is with Thom Hartmann. Thom Hartmann, born in 1951 in Michigan, USA, was diagnosed with ADHD as an adult, but he displayed signs of the condition from a young age. Despite facing challenges in traditional education settings, Hartmann's restless energy and myriad of interests led him to become a successful author and a radio host. Hartmann is the author of more than 30 books in various fields such as ADHD, ecology, politics, and economics. He hosts the Thom Hartmann program, a nationally syndicated radio show and one of the top progressive talk radio programs in the US. Hartmann views ADHD as a different form of cognition rather than a disability. He often speaks about how ADHD has contributed to his success, helping him juggle multiple tasks and quickly switch between topics. His journey serves as an inspiration for neurodiverse individuals, demonstrating that success comes in many forms and can be driven by thinking differently. And there we have it. 7 extraordinary individuals who have shown that different ways of thinking can lead to remarkable success. Remember, our minds, like theirs, are unique and powerful. So let's celebrate our neurodiversity. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. We will see you in the next video.